Alright, so let me tell you guys how to get into Venezuela. It's real simple, alright? What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to get yourself to Colombia, go towards the Colombian border in Cacuta, and then from Cacuta, just walk across the border. Just say what up to the security guards, and you're good to go. Simple, right? Well, that's not how you get into it.
Nate, in your state.
The process of getting into Venezuela is actually one of the most complicated ones so far. So this is how you really get into Venezuela. Number 1, apply outside the United States of America. Because there aren't any political relations between the United States of America and Venezuela, you would have to go outside of the United States to apply for a visa. Now, the country that is closest to United States where you can apply for this visa would have to be Mexico City, Mexico. You can also do the Venezuelan embassy in Ottawa, Canada, or Manila, Philippines. Number 2, bring your bank statements. You're going to need bank statements proving that you have about $10,000 in your bank to enter the country, and you're also going to need $10,000 or an equivalent to exit the country. Number 3, you're going to need travel insurance. I know there's a lot of travel insurance out there. I'm familiar with Safety Wing and World's Nomads. By no means am I affiliated with them, so you can use whoever you want or whoever you feel comfortable with. These are the 2 that I know. Number 4, you're going to need an invitation from a Venezuelan. The easiest way to get an invite is if you have a Venezuelan friend from Colombia. And here's a fun fact. You'll find the most Venezuelans in Cartagena, Colombia. So go ahead, mingle, have fun, and be safe when making friends out there, alright? Practice caution. Number 5, you're going to need some empty passport pages. At the time of doing this video, you're going to need 2 empty pages on your passport. One's going to be for the visa, and then the other is going to be for the entry stamp. Number 6, you're going to need a physical exam. This physical exam is going to be stating that you're healthy enough to travel to the country. Yeah, of course, you're going to have your medical insurance or whatever have you, but I think they don't want to be too responsible for you, so you got to make sure that you take your health and all the necessary precautions before you're going. It is also important to know that the 2020 C virus medication is not required to enter the country. But what is required is that you have a negative PCR test at least 48 hours before going into the country. Other vaccinations that you may need is the yellow fever vaccination. This is required when you're coming from Brazil or transitioning into Brazil. Now, I know all of this sounds tedious. Luckily, the folks at iVisa can help simplify this process for you by preparing the documents that you need. So check out my affiliate link down below if you need visas or any other travel documents to go into Venezuela or any other country requiring visas. This is an affiliate link, which means that when you join iVisa through me, I get a commission. So here's a couple of things to know. Dress appropriately when you're going for your visa interview. I know it's self-explanatory, but you don't want to go there wearing shorts and flip-flops. There was one guy who actually got sent back for wearing shorts when he went for his interview at the Venezuelan embassy in Mexico City. Don't be that guy, alright? So here are the countries that you can enter Venezuela by. Panama City, Panama. Istanbul, Turkey. Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. And Aruba. All these countries you can enter by air. Aruba you can also enter by sea. And by land we have Colombia, Brazil, and Guyana. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely have this up on my website for those who prefer reading this information. I got you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep eating, keep exploring, and I'll see you on the next one.